Hey, for most of you guys A&W fans out there, for food and stuff, I'm gonna warn you guys. The A&W in Payette, no good. This is crazy working, man. My sandwich was slimy. They got my order wrong. And apparently they like to piss me the fuck off, dude. So no. I will not order from you ever again. Because you suck. I hate you guys. And all that, I'm pretty much burnt out on you guys anyway, so I will never order from you again. And neither will be my family. So, yeah. You guys, that what you get. One finger bandit. Right now, I had a number 2 with no tomatoes. I was hoping it'd be cooked fully, but no, it's slimy, cold, and gross with the tomato. No, dude, no more. I'm done. Like, like I said about Domino's, they fucking suck, and so do you guys. Either both you guys need to change your recipes, or stop making fat people pissed off at you guys. I'm done. I'm freaking had it. Either one, you change how you cook stuff and all this other stuff, both you and Domino's, or 2, I'm gonna say this: fuck you. Either you got 2 options, and no, I'm not gonna go order from you guys ever again. So, I'd rather order from El Camarón or Keystone or Pizza the Hut. Only good thing you guys have is tea and French fries, but your burgers suck balls. And I'm pretty much done with your fucking burgers, dudes. So, fuck you. Only good thing you guys are good at is feeling ice with tea. And all that, I'm pretty much done with you guys. So, fuck you. Anyways, I'll see you guys in hell. If you don't change your recipes, both you and Domino's, fuck you then. I will never order from you again. So, fuck you guys. Here's my review out of you Domino's and you A&W. Fuck both of you. You guys can rot in hell. I'm mad I couldn't get a decent burger. So, that. If I were you guys, I would not order from A&W for dinner ever again. So, fuck you.